Odisha has reached a historic milestone in farmer registration for paddy procurement, setting a new all-time record. As of today, 18,50,983 farmers have registered across the state, marking a significant rise from last year's total of 17,50,462. Announcing the achievement on Monday, Food Supplies and Consumer Welfare Minister Krishna Chandra Patra highlighted the government's ongoing commitment to empowering farmers. With the registration process open until midnight tonight, this is the final chance for farmers to enroll and benefit from the state's procurement program. This remarkable growth is largely credited to proactive reforms. The rollout of mandatory eKYC has helped eliminate middlemen, ensuring that only genuine and deserving farmers are registered. To further streamline the process, a self-declaration form was also introduced, addressing technical issues many farmers faced while registering. These changes have made the system more accessible, efficient, and farmer-friendly. As a result, participation has increased across all districts. The Odisha government considers this a landmark step towards transparent and inclusive governance, ensuring that vital support reaches the hands of those who feed the nation.
18,50,983 जन चाषी रेजिस्ट्रेशन कर चली तो आगुरी गत वर्ष रेजिस्ट्रेशन होता 17,50,462 माने लक्षे उपरे अधिक चाषी एथर को रेजिस्ट्रेशन कर आज पाखापाखि लक्षे कि 1.5 लाख लोक चाष रेजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगे। निश्चित भाव में ये गोटे सर्वकालीन रेकर्ड। सेल्फ डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म रे साइन करके कृषक माने तार रेजिस्ट्रेशन कले फल असुविधा किसी रहा नहीं।